Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn about how to install a Jenkins on a Windows system. So first go to the Jenkins website and click download button. Scroll down the page until you see the Windows section in the column to the left. Once you click on it, this will start a download for a zip archive containing the Windows installer. Once the download completes, open the zip archive by double-clicking it. Inside the archive, you will find a single file named Jenkins. Double-click that file to start the installer. For basic installation, just click Next at each prompt to proceed through the installation. When prompted to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes. Once the installation completes, open your browser and enter localhost 8080. If you see a page that says the site can be reached or Jenkins is getting ready, don't worry. Just wait a moment and then refresh the page. Once Jenkins is completely installed and ready to use, you will see a page prompting you for administrator password. Open a file explorer and navigate to the directory where you installed Jenkins. Select the password and it will just look like a single word with random characters, and copy that to the clipboard. Now go back to the browser window and paste in the password and click continue. Click installed suggested plugins. This will complete the Jenkins installation by installing the plugins that are most commonly used by Jenkins. Depending on the speed of your laptop and the internet connection, this may take several minutes to complete. Once the plugins are installed, you will be prompted to create your first admin user. At this point, you should create an account with username of your choice and a password that's easy to remember but hard for others to guess. Also enter name and email address. For now, email address does not have to be a real one, but it does have to be a valid email format with a name and a signature and a domain. Note that you do have the option to skip creating a user by just clicking the continuous admin. This is fine, but just know that if you log out and log in, you will need to enter the initial admin password, the same one that is used during install. Once the form is filled in, click Save and Finish. With your installation of Jenkins complete on your Windows laptop or workstation, you are now ready to start creating jobs, so click Start using Jenkins. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please comment below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.